Thank you for your interest in applying to the University of Central Asia. Today, we are going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to apply to the university online. As a first step, please visit our website at ucentralasia.org. Once you have reached our homepage, please go to the Admissions tab, and you can either click Admissions to UCA or How to Apply to start your application. From this page, please find the Apply Online button. This will redirect you to a separate page, which is where our application form is held. If you are a new user, you must click New User. However, if you have already started your application, you can simply provide your email address and password for your account. As a new user, I'm going to fill out my information. Now press Register. Please note that all correspondence related to your admission and your application to UCA will be sent through this email. Please ensure that you have access to this email prior to starting your application. An email has now been sent to your email address to verify your account. In your email address, an email will be waiting for you. Please click on the verification link. Now you can re-enter your email address and password to start your application. On the first page, you will be prompted to fill out personal details, current contact details including your email and your phone number, as well as your mailing address. You will need to mark your marital status and the country of your current residence. You can click on the magnifying glass to find the country in which you are living. You can use the magnifying glass to find your city as well. If your mailing address is the same as your permanent address, please click the box. Otherwise, please fill your address in full. At this stage, you will have to select which program you would like to study at UCA. This will be your first choice. In a subsequent screen, you will be asked to select your second choice. Please note our Economics and Earth and Environmental Sciences programs are offered in Tajikistan at our Horog campus, and our programs in Communications and Media and Computer Science are offered at our Kyrgyzstan campus. Once you have made your selection, click on the button and create your application. Please note your application, once created, cannot be deleted. Please read through this declaration. Ultimately, it will say that you have confirmed that everything in your application is true and correct. Please read through this carefully and click I accept to proceed to the next step. On this stage, you will be prompted to show what documents and information you will be required for the remaining sections of the application. Please note, if you do not have everything, you can always return and log into your application at a later time to complete it before you press submit and complete your application. If you are from outside of Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, or Tajikistan, you will also be required to provide your high school transcripts. Please note you will need a copy of your passport and one photograph taken with a white background showing your face, which was taken in the last 3 months. Once you confirm you have these items, please press I accept and continue to the next stage. Now, this is the screen where you can select your second choice for the program you wish to study at UCA if you are not offered your first choice. Please select the option and go into the box that says choice number and select number 2. If you are happy with this choice, please press save and add new program. Please review your program choices carefully, and if everything is okay and this is what you'd like to apply for, please proceed and press save and next. Otherwise, this is when you can change. After this stage, you will not be able to change your choices. Now, this is the education qualification page. If you are living outside of Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, or Tajikistan and have been educated in areas outside of these countries, you will need to provide information on your education qualifications. If you are educated in Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, or Tajikistan, you'd simply have to proceed and press save and next. As this demo is showing you a Kazakh student who is living in America, I will proceed to provide education qualification information. Please also mark the year of admission into this school, so when you started to study, and also when you expect to complete your studies there. If you have not yet finished your studies, and you do not yet know your grades, please press Results Awaited. If you do know your grades, please type them in the boxes provided. In order to save your results and your inputs, please click Save and Add New Qualification. If you have attended more than one school outside of Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, or Tajikistan, you can re-enter additional information now, or if you have only attended one school outside, please press Save and Next. Now, this year, UCA's admissions will be accepting 2 forms of admissions tests. One is the UCA official admissions test, which will be held at exam centers throughout Central Asia and other locations around the world, as indicated on the University of Central Asia's website. If you do not wish to take the UCA admissions test, and in lieu will be taking the SAT test, this is an alternative option. So as I am living in the US in this application demo, I will choose to submit SAT scores. Please indicate the test that you have written already or the date in which you will take the exam. Please note this exam must be taken before the UCA admissions deadline and must be submitted by the deadline. Again, if you do not yet know the scores of your SAT test, please press Results Awaited. However, if you have already taken the exam with the essay questions, please indicate your obtained scores in the box provided. In order to save this information, please press Save and Add New Test. Again, if you will not be submitting SAT results, you do not need to fill out this part. Just simply press Save and Next. Now we come to parent and guardian information. You must select input at least one relative or guardian's information in order to complete the application. At minimum, you must provide the mobile phone number, first and last name of a parent or guardian. Press Save and add new relationship. If you would like to add an additional parent or guardian, you may enter it now, or proceed to Save and Next. Now, we would like you to answer if you have participated in the following programs. Please review the list and select any that are relevant. If you have not participated in any of the programs, you may leave it blank. Similarly, not including UCA, we would like to request you to provide 3 other universities that you would like to attend from this list, in addition to the University of Central Asia. Once you have made your selections, please press Save and Next. Now you must upload your documents. As mentioned previously, all applicants are required to provide a copy of your passport. But in addition, if you are not from Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, or Kazakhstan, you must also provide a copy of your official transcript. You may click on the magnifying glass to select the relevant information. In the Document Name segment, you must enter the name of the document that you will be uploading. In my case, I will be uploading a passport copy. Please press Upload and choose the file that you required. Once the document has been successfully loaded, you will see it at the bottom of your screen. If you are from outside Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, or Tajikistan, please now proceed to upload your official transcript. If not, please press Save and Next. Now comes to the final screen. If you will be attending the UCA admissions test, which will be held on April 5, 2020, please mark the location of the test center near you. Please also indicate the preferred language for the math section for the instructions. To find a test center, you would click the magnifying glass and select a city. Just for the demo, I will be marking Almaty as my test center. Now you must also provide a photograph. Please note it can be up to 1 megabyte, and the photo must be very clear and high quality. It should be able to see your face as well. Once you upload the photo, it will appear in the box. Finally, please let us know how you came to know about UCA programs, whether it be social media, website, through a friend. Please mark it here. Once you press Save, this means that you have confirmed all the information already provided. In order to complete your application, please press Submit. It will prompt you to reconfirm that you have made sure that all information is relevant and accurate. Please press Yes if you confirm everything is great. You will receive a PDF of your application form in your email inbox following submission of your application. We wish you good luck on your application to the University of Central Asia, and please let us know if you have any additional questions through our live chat on our website or by email. Thank you.